Hello everyone. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Diadem. I am Amaury Aubry-Dochez and today I am excited to share our vision for rapidly creating a world-class company as well as a marketplace for mobile telecom contract and billing smart contract automation. We believe Diadem has the potential to provide a much better contract and billing experience for both telecom operators and their customers. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. We'll start by outlining the problem we're addressing, followed by our innovative solution, Diadem. We'll then discuss our unique value proposition, the market opportunity, our business model, and the traction we've gained. We'll introduce our core team, share our financial forecast, and highlight the investment opportunity. Finally, we'll touch upon our SWOT analysis and leave ample time for your questions. Let's get started. Every successful venture starts by identifying a significant problem. Today, we're focusing on scaling up offering of mobile phone contract and services. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a substantial challenge faced by mobile network operators. Consider this, there are over 7 billion global mobile service subscribers generating trillions of calls, messages, and data sessions annually. Servicing this demand whilst attempting to offer compelling propositions in a highly competitive market environment is an ongoing challenge for all mobile network operators, or MNO. For many mobile network operators, the key objective in the years immediately after market entry was to grow their subscriber base rapidly and to secure a significant subscriber share. In many cases, it has been difficult to introduce improvements to business support systems, or BSS, up to date during this phase because of the possibility of disrupting operations and risking the velocity of subscriber growth. So many operators' BSS have become legacy systems, increasingly unable to offer the flexibility needed to deliver new products and services, but difficult to change. Billing systems in particular are often problematic for MNO. They often carry a high overhead in terms of the operating cost and the specialist resources needed to implement changes. In addition, some legacy billing systems are approaching capacity limits, which could present a real problem if the operator wishes to enter the Internet of Things, IoT, and machine-to-machine, M2M, markets where the processing of large numbers of call records is required. As the market has matured and the subscriber base has become increasingly saturated, many operators have shifted their strategy to focus on customer retention and to offer increasingly flexible and diverse propositions to their subscribers. However, they are often hampered in their efforts to do so by the dated nature of BSS architecture and the inflexibility of traditional software solutions. Traditional contract forms and tariff/service structures, enshrined in inflexible billing and pricing systems, are now handicapping the rollout of new proposition and product offerings. Product marketing departments are developing new bundles, tariffs, and services but are frustrated by the time needed to get them to market as delivery projects must manage numerous complex system changes to implement even small product improvements. In addition to the inflexibility and cost of many BSS systems, their bespoke or proprietary nature results in them often forming silos of data, meaning that it is difficult to extract information and exposing it to other systems. Operators are under increasing pressure to improve the transparency of contracts and ensure their subscribers are getting value for money. In most countries, there are regulatory targets around the accuracy of billing which can be difficult to meet. Most operators would like to offer better digital tools for customer service and reduce the need for expensive call centers, but are hampered from doing so by the need to integrate with complex BSS systems. To summarize, MNO are constrained by aging billing systems or traditional ways of forming a contract with the subscriber. Legacy mobile business support systems were usually built around the ability to deliver a simple handset and combi tariff, generate a regular paper or electronic bill for the subscriber, and to take payment via a direct debit or payment card. Now though, there is an increasing need for MNO to offer different products, to provide pricing and payment flexibility, and to provide a better and more immediate experience for the subscriber. This difficulty to scale up and the delays in updating contract and services leads to a large percentage of complaints are wireless related, the vast majority being billing disputes as confirmed by the 46% figures extracted from a report of the Commission for Complaints for Telecom Television Services Canada. Several leading BSS/OSS software vendors offer cloud-based or software as a service-based solutions. However, they often fall short because they address isolated mobile telecoms use cases such as simple payments or storage, some purporting to be democratizing the telecom space by building peer-to-peer networks which they claim will cut out the operator. This gap in the market is precisely where Diadem comes in. Let me introduce Diadem, our innovative solution designed to directly address the problem we just discussed. At its core, Diadem applies artificial intelligence and blockchain technology to overcome many problems around the cost, flexibility, and scalability of business support systems faced by MNO, and to provide extensive opportunities to enhance product offerings and customer experience. It works by abstracting the contract and billing mechanism from the operator's traditional business support systems and moving it to a blockchain platform. The key features of Diadem, the initial use cases, include streamlined quote validation and bill viewing outlined as critical operational pain points. What makes Diadem truly unique is that it levers the innate ability of AI and blockchain technology to provide a secure and decentralized environment, and the power of electronic smart contracts to provide an alternative billing, payment, and subscriber contracting architecture for MNO. We believe Diadem offers a superior approach by identifying tangible and immediate business problems that can be addressed by current or forthcoming technology, rather than by building a template platform and then search for viable use cases. So, what truly sets Diadem apart? Our unique value proposition, or USP, can be summarized in a few key points. We offer easy billing and payments, scalability and much faster time to market for new products, services and bundles. This translates directly into tangible benefits for our customers, such as a transparent view of bills and contracts, secure communications. Our unique value proposition includes 1. A shared view. The smart contract is abstracted from the operator and exists on the blockchain, allowing direct interaction by both operator and subscriber. Both parties can inspect the contract for full transparency and have a shared view of billing and contract situation. This will reduce misunderstandings and reduce billing inquiries. 2. New products, services and bundles. The abstraction of the contract from proprietary and hardwired BSS allows greater flexibility to build new deal types and offer different products to customers. 3. Easy billing. The subscriber is billed through an application, there is no need to send out paper bills. 4. Easy and instant secure payments. Subscribers pay their bills directly in the application. Payments are made via the blockchain and the operator receives the balance lightning fast. There shall be an option for secure payments via our Diad token. 5. Targeted and conditional messaging. The contract can be analyzed for certain product and usage conditions, and targeted messaging sent to the subscriber app to promote new offerings, offer top-ups, etc. 6. A scalable solution. Freeing the billing and contracting processing from physical hardware and constraints significantly improves the operator's ability to scale to explore new expansion opportunities. 7. The flexibility to respond to changing conditions. The contract mechanism gives the operator the ability to change the contract to meet new market challenges and respond to new prospects. 8. Confidential and secure client contracts. Using consortium blockchain technology, i.e. permissioned and private decentralized ledgers, the mobile operator shall be able to maintain the contract complete confidentiality with respect to other clients on same decentralized ledgers. 9. Secure communications. The solution ensures security throughout, connecting the smart contract securely to the subscriber app and business control center. Unlike competitors, Diadem identifies tangible and immediate business problems that can be addressed by current or forthcoming technology, rather than by building a template platform and then search for viable use cases. We are confident that our unique value proposition resonates strongly with our target market and provides a significant competitive edge. Understanding the vast potential of our market is key. In 2024 alone, total mobile revenues reached a staggering $1.1 trillion globally, as reported by GSMA. This underscores the immense scale of the mobile industry. Combined statistics for the number of global usage events, calls, SMS, and data sessions per year do not exist, but a calculation based on available data suggests a figure of over 14 trillion usage events are completed every year. Within this expansive ecosystem, Diadem directly addresses the needs within the mobile operational support system, OSS, software market. This is a critical area, and according to Straits Research, this market is projected to grow to over $110 billion by 2025. This significant growth demonstrates the increasing demand for efficient and innovative OSS solutions. Our target customers are mobile network operators, MNO, the companies that own and operate their own mobile networks, and fixed mobile virtual network operators, MVNOs. These are mobile service providers who, while they don't operate their own radio network, do have dedicated business support systems, making them ideal candidates for Diadem's capabilities. Globally, there are several hundred of these MNOs and MVNOs. Our primary strategic focus for initial market penetration will be on customers operating in the Global South, encompassing Southern Europe, the Middle East, Asia, Africa, and Southern America. This region represents a substantial 65% of the global market, offering a significant and readily accessible opportunity for Diadem. We believe our solution is particularly well suited to the specific challenges and growth opportunities present within these markets. Building on the substantial addressable market we just outlined, the broader market opportunity for Diadem is truly significant. With total mobile revenues reaching a massive $1.1 trillion in 2024, the demand for innovative solutions within this ecosystem is undeniable. Our strategy to capture this opportunity is built on strong strategic partnerships with mobile network operators. We believe this collaborative approach is paramount for several reasons. By working closely with a select group of MNO, we will be able to wargame and refine our existing use cases to ensure they are perfectly aligned with operator needs. Furthermore, these partnerships will enable us to identify and explore new, high-value use cases directly with our target customers. Critically, this collaboration will also streamline the integration of Diadem with existing operator architectures, a key factor for successful adoption. These strategic alliances will extend beyond product development, providing invaluable endorsement, joint branding, and broader publicity, significantly elevating Diadem's visibility and credibility within the industry. Our partners will also benefit from attractive commercial arrangements, creating a mutually beneficial and long-term relationship. As our initial strategic partnerships mature, our sales delivery model will expand to encompass the wider MNO market. Following our token main sale, we will grow our team of partner managers and develop a comprehensive sales and support infrastructure. This will include dedicated technical pre-sales, seamless integration support, and responsive after-sales service. Recognizing that Diadem will be a core component of our customers' operations, our sales and support teams will be focused on building strong, partnership-driven relationships, prioritizing exceptional service and customer retention. While we will leverage technology to optimize our delivery and support costs, we firmly believe in providing not just a technological solution, but a comprehensive and supportive service arrangement. Diadem has global ambitions, and we envision delivering our solution in key markets like China and India. To achieve this, we plan to strategically position our partner managers remotely from an early stage, ensuring we are close to our target markets and can effectively address their unique requirements. Our business model is designed for sustainable growth and profitability. We will primarily generate revenue through straightforward and highly scalable usage-based charging mechanism. We implement a charge for each usage event that our solution facilitates. Our core commercial key performance indicator, or KPI, revolves around the number of transactions, or usage events, that are recorded on the smart contract for every Diad token. To illustrate this, consider a scenario where a single Diad token is debited from an operator's digital wallet for every 2,000 usage events processed by the Diadem solution. In this example, an operator transmitting 5 million SMS messages daily would incur a charge of 2,500 Diad tokens per day. Such ratio is a fundamental aspect of our commercial strategy and tokenomics. Our pricing strategy is based on a meticulously modeled the token economy and its direct relationship with our revenue projections. Our sales and commercial teams complemented with AI agents will be instrumental in ensuring that all commercial agreements align with an average transaction per token figure that supports our financial goals. Importantly, this transaction per token figure is not static. It can be strategically set for each customer and tailored by our sales team, taking into account various factors such as the cost of sales and the level of ongoing support required. This figure is established as a key component of the commercial agreement, clearly defining the period over which it applies. In practice, we anticipate offering more favorable transaction per token ratios to early adopters as an incentive. Conversely, arrangements with a lower transaction level per token might be negotiated with customers who require a higher degree of support. However, this average metric provides us with a robust and controllable KPI for our commercial operations. It's crucial to understand that while the transaction volume and token debit are fixed within our system, the actual fiat currency cost for our customers, and consequently our revenue, will fluctuate based on the market value of the Diad token on the public exchanges where it will be offered. Our funding and development roadmap is strategically phased to support our growth. We are employing a combination of initial seed funding, which will be crucial for preparing the groundwork for our TGE pre-sales, focusing on minimum viable product, MVP, development and targeted inbound marketing initiatives. This will be followed by our TGE pre-sales, a limited offering of Diadem tokens, DIAD, at an attractive early investor rate. These tokens will be provided either directly or through a simple agreement for future tokens, or SAFT. The capital secured during this phase will enable us to significantly expand our team, bringing on full-time developers and designers to build out our core smart contract and a comprehensive working demonstrator showcasing key use cases. Simultaneously, we will be hiring our initial team of partnership managers, but will be dedicated to engaging directly with mobile operators to foster knowledge sharing and establish crucial commercial partnerships. In parallel with these efforts, we will be launching our full token main sale. The token generation event, or main sale, is designed to secure the necessary funding to propel Diadem through its initial commercial launch and sustain our operations until the revenue generated by the solution itself is sufficient to support the ongoing business. The main sale will involve a broader release of Diad tokens to the market. Finally, to safeguard our valuable intellectual property in an environment in which cloning is always faster and easier, we plan to establish a foundation bylaws, or Stiftungsurkunde. This foundation will hold 100% ownership of the shares in a separate operating company that will manage the day-to-day business operations. We are strategically considering basing this operating company in Abu Dhabi, which aligns with our primary focus on serving the global South market. We project a strong customer lifetime value. We believe this model provides a clear path to profitability and scalability. We're excited to share the significant traction Diadem has already achieved. We've been recognized within the leading Swiss blockchain ecosystem, having been selected to join the prestigious Tech4 Trust Acceleration Program of the Swiss Trust Valley and, further validating our potential, we received a recognition award within the program. This provides us with invaluable resources, mentorship, and connections within the industry. Our vision for Diadem is also underpinned by a deep understanding of the transformative power of converging technologies. As I articulated in my book, Artificial Intelligence, the revolution that will change our lives, blockchain is to the commoditization of processes relating to goods and services what artificial intelligence is to the commoditization of human thought. We firmly believe that the synergy between AI and blockchain is key to unlocking truly innovative solutions, and Diadem is designed to be a leader in this space. On the product development front, we have moved swiftly from concept to creation. We have successfully delivered our initial designs and are actively developing tangible demonstrations of Diadem's capabilities. We've begun building demo applications showcasing key use cases such as view bills and view quotes. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence will be instrumental in fast-tracking the development of a robust minimum viable product, allowing us to quickly showcase the real-world value and potential of Diadem to both potential customers and, importantly, to you, our potential partners and investors. Behind Diadem is a dedicated and experienced team passionate about solving the problem outlined. I am Amaury Aubry-Dochez, and I bring 33 years plus of experience in innovation and transformation. Matthew Armishaw, the other founder, has 14 years plus of experience in mobile telecommunication solutions. Our collective experience in mobile telecoms, finance and strategy provides us with the necessary foundation to execute our vision and navigate the challenges ahead. We also have a strong network of advisors who bring invaluable expertise to our project. The potential revenue return from the Diadem business is truly substantial. Our projections indicate a significant growth trajectory, moving from $310,000 in revenue in 2025 to an impressive $75 million by 2031. This represents a remarkable increase of over 24,000% in just 6 years, showcasing the immense scalability we envision for Diadem. This robust revenue forecast is built upon a foundation of conservative assumptions. 1. We are projecting a modest annual growth in the Diad token value of just 10% per year. 2. We anticipate a steady annual growth of 5% in the number of global mobile usage events, starting from a base of 26 trillion per year in 2020. 3. Our market capture target is deliberately conservative, aiming for just 1% of the total global mobile usage events transacted by our solution within 5 years after our commercial launch. Given the highly conservative nature of these assumptions, we are confident that the actual revenue generated by Diadem has the potential to be significantly higher. This revenue growth will be underpinned by a dramatic increase in the transaction processing capabilities of our platform. We forecast scaling from 4 transactions per second in 2025 to an impressive 4,450 transactions per second by 2031. This represents an astounding growth of over 111,000%, demonstrating our ability to handle the increasing demand as we capture market share. This financial outlook clearly highlights the compelling investment opportunity that Diadem presents, offering the potential for significant returns as we execute our strategic roadmap and capitalize on the rapidly expanding market for our innovative solution. Investing in Diadem offers a unique opportunity to be part of a high-growth venture poised to disrupt the mobile OSS market. We are currently seeking 800,000 Swiss francs in seed funding to fuel our next phase of growth. These funds will be strategically allocated as follows: 47% towards essential resource costs to build our team and drive development, 23% dedicated to targeted marketing initiatives to generate early traction, 12% allocated for crucial legal consultancy, 7% for our core IT infrastructure including hosting, 6% for essential financial and accountancy services, and the remaining 6% for travel and miscellaneous operational needs. This detailed allocation ensures responsible and efficient use of capital to achieve key milestones. For this investment opportunity, we are offering investors profit participation rights, known as Reshape. This is a well-established and investor-friendly mechanism that provides a variable return on your investment, directly linked to Diadem's operating company profitability and success. These rights will also include a liquidation preference, offering an important layer of protection. Furthermore, they will be transferable, providing flexibility for your investment. We believe this structure offers a balanced and attractive proposition for our potential investors. This financial outlook clearly highlights the compelling investment opportunity that Diadem presents, offering the potential for significant returns as we execute our strategic roadmap and capitalize on the rapidly expanding market for our innovative solution. Before we move to your questions, let's briefly review our SWOT analysis, which provides a clear picture of our strategic position. Our strengths are significant. We are addressing a huge potential market with a clear application of our technology to solve real, existing problems. We also have a valuable first/early mover advantage in this space, supported by our founding team's deep industry experience and insightful understanding. We acknowledge our weaknesses, including the potential complexity in the integration of the operator control center component, a challenge we are actively addressing with robust integration strategies. We also recognize the need for further resources to develop a physical proof of concept build, which will be a key focus of our next phase to attract further investment. Our opportunities are compelling. The ongoing evolution of new market technologies and opportunities will continue to fuel operator investment, directly benefiting Diadem. Furthermore, the rapidly growing awareness and adoption of blockchain technology will naturally increase interest in our project as we demonstrate its real-world application. We are also mindful of potential threats, including local regulatory conditions that may impact market entry in specific territories, which we are actively monitoring. Finally, we are aware that negative publicity surrounding AI and blockchain could potentially influence some operators, and we are committed to clear communication and demonstrating the tangible benefits and responsible nature of Diadem. Call to action. We firmly believe that there is significant momentum building behind Diadem, and the time to act is now. For those investors who recognize the immense potential we've outlined today and are eager to be part of this journey, we invite you to sign a letter of intent with Kusai LLC, acting as the incubator. This will allow us to move forward together and capitalize on this exciting opportunity. We are now happy to open the floor for any questions you may have. Thank you again for your time and consideration. We have provided our contact information here. Please feel free to reach out to us with any further questions or to schedule a follow-up discussion. We look forward to hearing from you.